Hello everyone, welcome to my kitchen. My name is Michael, and if this is your first pie that you're making with your homemade pie crust, I want to show you what blind baking versus not blind baking your pie shell will do. So I've used my pecan pie recipe. I've got two pies here that I made. I used the same recipe and I made my crust the same way. And on this one, I'll show you that I did blind bake this pie crust. And when I did that, I baked it without the filling inside, and I did my fluting on the top, and you can see that my crust stayed right on the top where it should be, and that's blind baking. This one here, I used the same recipe. I used my same pie crust recipe. I did not blind bake this one. I started out with the fluting on the top just like I did on the other one, and you can see here where the sides of the pie have shrunken down into the pie shell and the top is no longer there. It's still good to eat. It just doesn't look as pretty as this one does. So that's the difference between blind baking and not blind baking. We've got blind baked and not blind baked. That answers that age-old question, should I blind bake or not, when you're making your homemade butter pie crust. I hope this is a good example of that. If you like this content, maybe you might consider giving me a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Leave me a comment. I'd love to hear from you all. I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye now.